Welcome students. Today we are going to discuss remote access technologies and devices in Unit 3. So agenda, introduction to remote access, type of remote access technologies, common remote access devices, security protocols and challenges, use cases and applications, conclusion. So introduction to remote access. Remote access allows user to connect to a network or device from a distant location. You have experimented this in the first year laboratory. You have connected to the server from the remote. From your host machine, you have connected with the server, and there you have run all your programs through the help of host. So it is essential for telecommuting, remote IT management and resource sharing. Key industries: healthcare, education, IT and business services. Types of remote access technologies: virtual private network, remote desktop protocol, secure shell, virtual network computing. Virtual private network encrypts connection over the internet, creating a secure tunnel. So even though we have a public channel to access the data, there is a separate encrypted path, encrypted connection will be established so that others cannot view that particular connection, or others cannot see the content which is being transmitted over a channel that cannot be visible to others. So that create a separate tunnel, right? How the tunnels are established in the underground. Similarly, there are separate channel connection will be established to carry the data in a secure manner. So that is the virtual private network. So remote desktop protocol allows user to remotely control a computer via graphical interface. Secure shell provide a secure command line access to remote system. Virtual network computing enables remote access to your desktop across multiple platforms. Virtual private network establishes a secure connection between the user and the telephone network and the corporate network. Encrypts data traffic, ensuring confidentiality. Types of virtual private network: site-to-site virtual private network, remote access virtual private network, secure socket layer virtual private network. Secure socket layer is a technique to transmit the data. Say for example WhatsApp communication, end-to-end encrypted, right? So remote desktop protocol developed by Microsoft provides a graphical interface for remote control, allows users to access files, applications and network that they were physically present. So you can access from the remote, but you can experience as like you have been connected to the server directly, or you have been working on the server directly. So used for remote technical support and system administration. So in the first year laboratory, you have used a telnet command to connect with the server from the remote. Many of the students might believing that they were worked on the particular system, but that was not the real scenario. The real scenario was you have worked on server through your host machine. So secure shell, a protocol for secure remote command line access, provides encrypted communication between client and server, commonly used by system administrator to manage servers remotely. So remote access devices modems provide basic remote connectivity via telephone lines. DSL and cable modems offer high-speed internet connections. Mobile devices, smartphones and tablets used for remote access through mobile networks. Remote access servers enable secure remote access to the corporate network. Security protocols and challenges. Encryption. How the encryption will be done? So normally the Gmail offers the encryption technique. It sends all the data over a channel through in the form of encrypted format, so that the third party cannot see the actual original content. So virtual private network also uses the encryption technique. SSL, secure socket layer. Transport layer security is the Another mechanism for secure data transmission. Authentication, two-factor authentication or biometrics based authentication, and digital certificates. So digital certificate normally used for to ensure the integrity of the particular data. Who issued this particular certificate? Challenges in the case of the security protocols: data breaches, man-in-the-middle attacks, phishing, and malware attacks. So use cases and applications. Telecommuting, enable employees to work remotely. In nowadays, all IT industries are providing the option to work from home. How the employees can work from home? They are connecting to the server from the remote. There they will be working on a server. So this kind of application is possible in nowadays. Remote IT management allows system administrator to manage and troubleshoot systems from any location. The system administrator may work from the remote place. They will be monitoring user device and they will be connecting. Even you could experience uh, during the placement drive. All exams may be connected remotely. All exams may be conducted remotely. So the students can enter into the corporate server. There they have completed all the exams for their placement drive. Healthcare provides doctors and healthcare professionals remote access to patient records. Education supports online learning and remote access to educational resources. Thank you, students.